I've got a bucket of water with some brushes in, water-based paint, and notice how the paint has dried on the bristle. You can see how it's gone. Like I say, a lot of contract mats, quite easy to clean off, straight in a bucket of water and rub off. But these water-based paints that are quite tough, durable, scrubbable, they don't want to come off the same. So they've sat soaking for a while. Like I say, they've had a preliminary wash, so most of the paint's come out of the bristle. So just a bit of a rub, just drawing back slightly. So anything else like that now, what I've got is an old wire brush, and when they get so warm I just cut the end off. So I've still got a bit of a brush, and now I can just tackle this. I'll just help free that paint from the bristle. Just go for the stock around that ferrule. Much water out of that as possible. Put on some newspaper. Got rid of most of it off the bristle. We'll just tackle the rest of this. So always working toward the bristle. Straight into the water again, give it another rinse. Now some stainless steel wool. Can now go over the whole lot. Handle as well. Coming off quite easy. Just holding the bristle and part of the ferrule there just makes it easier. First step. It's got 2 more to do. That one's actually the worst one. I've not cleaned any of this for a while. this will just work off. Onto the newspaper again. Bit tougher, but that's okay. It's off. Now just concentrate on the handle. Get it back in the water. So overall, that would be good enough to store. But if you really did want to get rid of all this lot, again, just on with the steel wool. Stainless steel. Bit coarser than wire wool. And it's stainless as well. That'll soon come off. Okay, for the moment, that's okay. That's ready for the next step. Just onto this one. Now with these pencil brushes, you really do have to be careful because they can break really easy. This one's already gone on the end. Should be so long. But again, snapped. So onto the side. Keep going at it. That's that one clean. Ready for the next step. If you're working for a company, then doing something like this could be deemed as a bit excessive, wasting time. So overall, as long as it's clean up to here perfectly, then a bit of paint on the handle is acceptable. So either way, now at this stage I've got some clean warm water. I'm just going to add some ordinary washing up liquid. Now I can concentrate on the bristle, making sure there's no paint up near the stock. Now I've got a comb, and with these steel combs, again stainless steel, and these are very sharp, needle sharp, so just keep your fingers away. And if there is any paint left in the bristle near that stock, this will help loosen it up. Okay, that's good. This one, I won't really need to use the comb on it. I'll just put this in the water and give it a good wash. Don't snatch too hard, just let it work through. Just be careful of them ends. It's okay. Leave that one to dry. This really is just a simple wash with this. Bristle's not as thick, it's easier to clean. Okay. Nearly as good as new. When you've spun them out, just draw the bristles slightly, just to bring them together a bit. That's okay. And either dry them flat or hanging up. And then when these are dry, the beauty with these brushes is they can go straight into an oil-based paint, and when you finish doing that job, clean them out and they can go back into a water-based paint. Very versatile.